How to fix Google Play Store, check your connection and try again on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here we'll find Google Play services. Click on it and click permissions. Now give it all of those permissions here, just click on it and click allow, and that's it, allow all of those. And after that go back and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to Google Play Store here, and here we'll find permissions. Click on it and then give it all of those permissions, and now go to right system settings and make sure it's enabled. Don't make it like that, just make sure it's enabled. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.